For my capstone project, I made an Arduino bike speedometer. My goal for this project was to make a working speedometer and test it within the 3-week time span. I made a speedometer because I always wanted to know how fast I was going, but I never really wanted to go and buy my own. Here's my speedometer in action. Please ignore the shaky footage. It's very hard to bike on speed bumps while filming. To make my speedometer, I had to build the speedometer and code it using the skills I've learned from using Arduino in a previous STEM project. The main components I used was an LCD, an Arduino Uno, and a reed switch. Reed switch works very similarly to a regular toggle switch, but unlike the switch shown here, where you manually turn it on or off, a reed switch uses magnets to turn it on or off. Arduino counts the amount of times the switch closes on the wheel, and the Arduino calculates the speed using the formula for speed in the code. Here's a clip of the reed switch opening and closing. When I made the code, I learned that I needed to add the formula for speed to calculate how fast I was going. I also learned that you need to know time to measure speed. The biggest problem I had during the project was mounting all my components into a small plastic box. What I ended up with was an uncompleted folded box with an Arduino sticking out of it. If I had more time, then I would have replaced the plastic with plywood because it would have been much easier to work with. This project taught me that you always have something you need to do, because I finished my speedometer pretty early, so I didn't do much for the next few classes when I should have been working on my video presentation. Next project that I might be doing is building a bicycle odometer I saw online while researching.